Untapped ways to make money in New York. As much as not everyone can make money from anything, everyone should be able to make money from something. This video was made with one goal in mind: to help you make some money. According to a Spears magazine study that ranked the 20 most wealthy cities in the world, New York City ranks as number 4. It was also reported that the study showed that 389,100 people are millionaires in New York City. Before we list these untapped ways to make money in New York, it is quite important you know we are working on lots of opportunities that will be beneficial to you. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button and ring the bell to be the first to get a notification on the next video. Analysts also say that New York is the bastion of wealth not only in America but in the world. Here is a list of the untapped ways to make money in New York. 1. Serve in a mock trial. If you are eligible to sit on a live jury, you can take part in a virtual one. You can sign up to become one through some websites that offer such entries and await instructions. When a lawyer wants to check for holes in his case, he'll conduct a mock trial. You'll be asked to review a case summary and answer a series of verdict questions to help the legal pros determine the strength of their case. 2. Get on set. Landing your first job on set to make money in New York can be difficult, especially if you don't know where to start. If you think you can act well and possess things that people want to watch, then all is fine. If you don't think people want to see you on their screens, then you can get a job as a member of a movie crew. 3. Deliver pizza. You can make money in New York by delivering pizzas to people who need these pizzas. Pizza delivery is one money-making option that puts money in your pockets as you continue to grow and secure better-paying jobs. 4. Music. In a city with so many people and with so much life and activity, there is the option of making music. If music is something you have a passion to do, then you can make some money while doing it. You can be paid for your mastery of the instrument or for teaching new students how to play the instrument of your choice. 5. Become a personal trainer. A personal trainer is someone who helps their clients achieve certain fitness goals, including but not limited to weight loss, strength training, toning, or overall health management. Each client's fitness level can be extremely different, so a trainer may be introducing one client to basic exercises, helping a second one with a weight loss program, and assisting a third in advanced training goals. 6. Stand-up comedy. While this may not be easy to get into, it is a start and will work out well in the end if you can get yourself into the door. The key is to make people laugh, and if you can do that while looking them all in the face, then you may be able to make some really good money for yourself. 7. Sell your crafts. If you are skilled at making things with your hand and it is something that people have an interest in enough to pay you to get it off your hands, then you may just have for yourself a revenue stream. In conclusion, New York has many more opportunities to make money than could make sense on a video like this. Anyone's convenience is someone's money. Offering affordable products and services that people around your immediate vicinity need is the first step to growth. I hope you enjoyed this video. Share your experiences with us in the comment section. Which of these crafts is most ideal for you? Let's hear your thoughts in the comment section below. Remember to click the subscribe button below to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.